guys, welcome to another vlog. So today we're doing things a little differently. So we initially had the program of shooting the AirPods Pro Max review. I had the my comments, entire setup, the different headphones I wanted to compare with and explain it to you. Everything ready. But yesterday during one of my friends' parties, I got an invite to an FMSCI, which is the racing body of India. So, invitation to race my car on 24th. It's a chicane circuit. It's in Hyderabad. So again, this will be a two-part series. So today, me and my friends are going there to check out. So I've been registered in two categories. It's the alarm. 1 second, boys. So yeah, as I was saying, we got registered in two categories. Mine is a 5.5 liter car, so it would be, and it's a two-wheel drive. So this is a rear-wheel drive car only. So the first category would be 3000 cc plus two-wheel drive only category, and the second one would be an imported class category. So got registered in two categories over there. It's the first time for me participating. My friends have been there a couple of times. I have never participated in these local racing this thing. So first, heading to my friend's place, which we call the Bat Cave, and one of my goals also to have a dream garage setup like that, and I will show you around the place over there. And from there, we'll be driving to the circuit itself, which is about an hour's drive from there. I'll show you around the track, what I do to practice and all that. Got my trusty helmet behind. It's been a while since I've used it. So yeah, let's get on with it. I'll catch you guys once I'm in the garage. This is our Bat Cave, boys. That is the bed, dining table, bar counter, the Huracan exhaust, bathroom, your driving simulator, ATVs, actual Huracan XL. We have a Porsche Cayman as well. So this is something of a dream setup which we'll be planning, where I'll have my gaming room as well. Set up something like this, where the gaming PC is here and the car is right behind it. We car owners are mad, we can't help it. That is how we are. That is how we've been living. A lot of parties have happened here. Right, got engaged, let's go. Hi.
Hello.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey. Hello. Vlogging.
Yes, vlogging is happening. ఏంటి స్క్రిప్ట్ పట్టుకొచ్చారు?
మొత్తం పేపర్స్.
ఓ అవా.
తమరు సిగ్నేచర్లో తమరు
Alright boys, lap around Chicken Circuit. .2 kilometers. We're going slow to show you around the track. A lot of loose gravel and stuff, so it's not very convenient to drive. Plus my car's anti-crash, anti-roll system's getting activated. So what does that do is raise the windows and tighten up the seat belt and reduces the engine power to 50%. So that is what that does. You can hear, if you can hear the loose gravel sound, it's quite evident. We'll let the Honda pass by. So I can clearly show you the track again. So coming up onto the first couple of corners, it's quite bumpy for the track, and go straight, maximum acceleration, brake, downshift, turn into the corner, go wide around the exit, go wide, then cut into it, brake, go wide, cut the corner, and then you get onto the track again. So that's one lap around the chicane. So I'm trying to learn the gears that have to be used and the overall grip of the track. It's quite bumpy, a lot of gravel, so the grip level keeps changing as the day progresses and depending on whom you're driving with on the track as well. So need to keep that in mind while we are doing it. More and all, it's a good thing. Come and practice. So I'll try to get in some laps now and see what best that I can do. So not using the manual transmission right now because it's too short a track to keep switching gears that frequently. So I'll let the AMG do that work for me. And I'm just focusing on the racing line and the braking, this thing. So my car is fitted with stage 1 tuning and I have semi-slicks. Semi-slicks and racing brakes on. That's about it. And gear start line there?
Oh yeah. Timer. What the fuck, bro? Apo.
Tiregata tire.
Holy shit.
Pain.
Bro, what is that, bro? Crazy వెళ్తుంది. It's under 1, I'm guessing, bro. That's it.
Also one.
Yeah, 1.
But you can understand.
Yeah,
Steering
that's what
మొత్తం తిరిగిన తర్వాత కూడా కారు తిరగట్లా చూడు.
అవును.
అర్థమైందా రాళ్ళే ఎంత కొడుతుంది నాకు.
ఈ పిల్లలు కొడుతున్నా కూడా అర్థం కాదు.
They have to just, sweep the track once completely.
Event రోజు I don't think they'll do that.
Alright boys, that was end of day 1. Track is 1.3 kilometers. I've clocked in 1 minute 1 second. Target time is to get close to 1 minute or less than 1 minute. As you can see, track is slippery, very bumpy. It's a short track, I mean in terms of width, so it'll be challenging. I've registered my car in 3 different classes, which I'll be explaining you in the second part of the video. Race is happening on next Sunday, and I'll be there. If you guys want to come and meet me, yes, Shikan Circuit, Hyderabad, near Leonia Resort. That's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next one.